وتكشخت شوية لاني رايحة اليوم البيتش، رايحة الشاطئ مع اصدقائي. كان المفروض اروح افطر اول، كان المفروض نروح نفطر انا وامي واخواني، بس ربما تجهزت وكلهم تأخروا. والساعة الحين 3، والمفروض أنا قابل أصدقائي الساعة 3:30، فما مداني أروح مع أمي ومعتز. طبعا ربما خلصت بعد. شوفوا هيركليز جايز. أيوة تأنقت شوية. أي طالعة مع أصدقائي اليوم. مين هنا؟ معاذ. عادي هوني صورتك انزل. ايوه فبروح مع صوفيا ورفيال. كيف الاوتفيت حقي؟ انيقه صح؟
ممتاز.
ليه حلقت؟
ايش فيه؟
ما عجبني.
وش دخلك؟
حلق كل لحيته وما في الا الشنب. عاد اوريهم وجهك.
بيشوفون بعدين.
اوكي.
اضحك علي والله لا أديك.
لا بليز نو، نسيت والله نسيت.
يلا طقطق على شنبي.
خلاص اسفه.
احسنت.
والله بيكح على وجهي. يا الله دقيقة. الشنطة، شوف الشنطة. أخذت شوية صور. I really like it. I really like my fit. I think it's fancy. وأحسه يناسب البيتش. I think it really suits the beach. Maybe not the shoes, but yeah. كنت أدور البوتس، عندي بوتس نفس ذا اللون بس ما لقيته، نفس لون الشنطة، فبس لبست كعب أبيض زي فستاني. فأيوه رايحين. ما أعرف إذا بناكل أنا وأصدقائي، بس أنا رايحين برا نتمشى شوية عند الشاطئ. أيوه. بعدين برجع البيت، تجيني صديقتي الثانية بتنام عندي. بعدين بروح مع صديقتي الثانية الكونسرت بكرة. بروح محل كونسرت مغنية بس من مرة مشهورة.
خلك شنب.
باي مع روح. ايوه فرايحة مع اصدقائي رافائيل وصوفيا، بعدين بتجيني صوفيا وبعدين بروح الكونسرت مع صديقتي الثانية. أصفى جايز. شفتوني كيف أنيقة؟ أيوة مرة حابة الفت. أدري معاذ ليش سويت كذا؟ توك تشوف. جاب العيد المفروض ما حلقت مرة. إن شاء الله يمديني أصور لكم كل شيء. بس for right now bye guys. والله إنك جبت العيد.
انتي الآن تصورين؟ طيب سلح. ما أدري تصورين ولا لا؟ وش في شنبي؟ ما في مشكلة.
إيش فيك أنت معتز تأكلوني خلاص؟
لا هو ما له حق لأنه أصغر منك، صار أكبر منك، فهبي سلح.
والله انك تنرفزني بصورك ترى.
Womp womp. Cry about it.
Right.
You slapped yourself. I don't know what you're talking about.
We're in the beach.
Hi.
Hi.
Hi. Oh shit, that was like some Riz face.
Right? I'm wearing
you.
I had like the major Riz ass face. It was the perfect like nonchalant like yeah like that was crazy.
I'm wearing beige jacket.
Yeah. You know I'm a man.
She
I
got
could be
me.
cold for any woman out there. That's right.
Hell yeah.
That's right.
The camera's not
Hard, it's hard.
You.
Run, go
Time
like
me
them,
too.
go like them, go like them,
You're stay right there.
go like them. Go like them.
Yo, what?
Dude, that's not how you do it.
No. Oh, okay.
I sound like a horse. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Barbara. Thank you.
Thank you, boss.
Yes, thank you, boss.
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 شوفوا المكان مرة مغيم. It's so foggy.
Yes. Damn, that was
Yes.
I can't.
Oh my god. She's fine, guys. Nosy.
Oh, my shit's not loading.
Okay.
Little Uzi.
Guys, they made a path for me. That's so cute.
Let's take those flip-flops.
That sounds like a fucking plan. Let me sniff them.
Oh.
Oh, bro.
Yes, Johnny-o. Let's go find the hostess.
Okay. Ballet. Okay. Ballerina.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yippee.
Yes, if the shoe fits. But wait, back to my girlfriend guys.
Dude, she just fucking put more in.
No, there's no more. There's no more.
God.
Okay, guys. So
Bounty.
where? Oh. I said where?
Let the baddie have the bag. Thank you.
Can I see it on me?
Yes.
Oh my god. Is it prescription?
Yes.
Okay, I see.
It's not even that bad. Well, you're
I know,
acting like it's the worst thing.
No, it's
not
not.
the way
It's
they
not, but like, I'm not used to it.
Oh.
Yeah, I never really wore one. So, we finished eating.
And they don't want to walk after.
We can drive to the beach. I got us.
Alright, let's go.
Oh my god, yeah, I have heels. I don't know if I...
My car. Yes.
Alright, y'all.
No, not it.
Beach time.
Yes. Addie.
Do walk. Do walk
Yeah.
over there. Yeah.
Keep walking.
You're gonna cut the audio after. She's, where are you trying to take the picture at? What?
Get in, get in, get in.
Get in.
Do your dance. Sophia and Rafael.
Wait.
Rafael. First time seeing him in like 2 months because he was in France. How was France? Bien.
Hello.
Is bien? That's
Bien. Bien.
bien.
Bien.
Bien.
Bueno.
Bueno.
How do you say in Spanish? Bueno too?
Bueno.
Nah, couples.
Bien y bueno.
How do you say in Filipino?
I don't know Tagalog. I failed my Filipino side. It's okay.
Oh no.
It's okay because kamusta sinigang?
I look you fail Spanish.
How do you fail Spanish if you speak French?
Dude, no, because I take it to like 5-6.
Spanish and French are similar?
Oh, 5-6 is the hardest Spanish.
Yeah, right?
But I passed it.
Nah, fuck you.
Hell yeah.
I got my biliteracy seal. Did you get your biliteracy seal?
Can you
Yes, I good.
Oh, you did?
Hold.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, why'd you switch it into this? Why'd you switch your wallpaper to this?
Oh, I didn't.
Everything's melting.
I just didn't change a photo yet.
Oh.
Melting.
Yeah.
Guys, look, I got a new car too.
A new what?
It's called a Honda.
Yum.
No, I didn't. It's the old one. Yeah.
Back up.
Oh no. Can you hold a conversation in Spanish?
Yes, I can.
Can you hold a conversation in French?
Yes, I can.
No, you can.
Yes, I can.
Well, you know Spanish, so.
Let's go. Ready? Go. Speak.
Bonjour. Comment ça va?
Bien. Comment ça va?
Ça va très bien et toi?
Bien.
Add something. How was your day? Comment se passe ta journée?
Bueno.
Qu'est-ce que t'as fait?
Qu'est-ce que
Qu'est-ce que t'as fait? What'd you do?
Broom.
Go. What the fuck?
Not good. More like.
I heard go.
I heard go.
Yeah.
Eyes. No.
No.
Please stop.
No.
No. Put the camera on, bro.
Okay guys, نحن BJ's. أول مرة لي أجي هنا. This is my first time here.
Hello. I got ahi poke, and then her and I are sharing these mac and cheese balls.
Oh.
What'd you get?
Burger. Fries.
Hell yeah.
Water.
Hell yeah.
This bigger. No.
Why are you looking at me like that?
We got the food.
Try. Let's see. Try this one.
Bra. Let me try this one. بنجرب حقها.
I don't think I've tried this one yet.
Is it like a pie?
That one's good.
Alright, right? Damn, no one told you to eat the whole thing, bro.
I don't like.
Any of this as well?
I'm Chanel #1.
Where's your fit from?
My fit is from
Chanel,
Chanel.
Gucci, Louis Vuitton.
Yeah. My Hermes.
How do you say Louis Vuitton?
Louis Vuitton.
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 Chanel.
My favorite is